Constantine Papadas. I am from ISD in Greece, and I am charged of the architecture of an advanced structural health monitoring system we have in Europe. We believe that it is an advanced one, so I have a video, and I will be very happy to answer your questions effectively.
SHM are located. The participant triad is a European project that focuses on the development of technology building blocks for structural health monitoring sensing devices in aeronautics. It is funded under the 7th Framework Program. This slide shows a map where the members of the consortium are located. The participants of the project are IWSHM, SHM, Eurocopter, Goodrich Actuation Systems, Hellenic Aerospace Industry, University of Southampton, Institute of Electron Technology, KT Systems, Mapsfield, PZL Swidnik, Rovitech, UCL, EADS Germany, ISD in charge of the architecture. In terms of objectives, the Triad project will focus on providing technology building blocks and fully integrated prototypes in order to achieve power generation, power conservation, embedded powerful intelligence, data processing and storage, and energy management for structural health monitoring sensing devices. The principal technology building blocks that the Triad project will provide are battery, high energy density, which is also able to function in a harsh environment, energy harvester from vibrations and electromagnetic RF, ultra-low power sensors, design of electronic blocks in SOI technology, neural networks for data recording and damage assessment. The monitoring system has to be bondable on the structure or in the last composite layer of the aircraft. The picture on the slide captures the Smart Tag prototype. This slide contains some of the characteristics of the Smart Tag. The Smart Tag is the size of a credit card, dimensions 55 by 85 by 1.5 millimeters. Will support remote sensors. It is embedded under the last composite layer or attached on the structure. Autonomous. All the power needed will be provided by the onboard rechargeable battery. It is wireless. Stored data will be transferred to the base station by using the RFID communication protocols through an RFID reader. It is expendable, less than 100 euros per unit. Start-stops, when the system starts-stops, will record temperature, relative humidity, pressure, strain, vibration, and acoustic emissions whenever flight domain is overrun. This structural health monitoring capability that the Triad project offers is planned to be applied in 2 application domains: on helicopters with Eurocopter and PZL Swidnik as end users, and on airplanes with EADS in Germany and Dassault Aviation in France. This slide shows the different requirements and specifications for the different end users, which have been unified on the Smart Tag with minimal compromises to accommodate all. Here we examine a helicopter application and offer some details on the related prototype in order to elucidate and better understand the goals and the overall strategy. On board, the Smart Tag will include a battery, an antenna, an RF link, a memory, an energy harvesting part, a power management circuit, and a microprocessor. One onboard chip with ultra-low power temperature and smart pressure sensors will complete the Smart Tag for further monitoring purposes. The remote sensors will be a humidity sensor, 1 or 2 XY strain gauges, an acceleration sensor, and a temperature sensor with their associated interface electronics. The tag can be embedded in the last layer of the composite or attached on the structure. If embedded in the composite, the lifetime will be at least 10 years. If attached on the last layer of the structure, the lifetime could be reduced to just 6 months or 1 year. The Smart Tag will be disposable. Continuing Continuing on the application example, all system parameters are placed in check as soon as the system starts. If everything goes according to specs, that is, under specified thresholds, then the only parameter recorded is the flight duration. Should any of the thresholds be overrun independently, then all parameters are recorded. They are either downloaded as such after each flight per helicopter or processed on board. The onboard processing offers the advantage of a concise and immediately usable result, such as part to be changed, for example, instead of dealing with a lot of data to be locally stored and remotely processed in dedicated places by dedicated people. However, a compromise between the extent of the onboard processing and the available power must still be found. In conclusion, to summarize, the TRIAD project will provide a compact structural health monitoring system the size of a credit card, embedded in or attached on a part or structure under control. It could analyze the humidity, temperature, pressure, vibration, strain, and acoustic emissions during the flight of a helicopter or an aircraft. This could be used for fixed or moving structures, also for aging monitoring or for the control of out-of-domain flight conditions. The project integrates advanced technologies by working simultaneously on adapting harvesting sources for aeronautics, adapting batteries for aeronautics, implementing low-power architectures and power management, interfaces, sensor management, communications, developing breakthrough electronics with ultra-power CMOS electronics based on SOI, developing breakthrough sensors, for example, temperature and/or humidity, based on integrated circuit compatible SOI CMOS circuits, ring oscillators, inverter strings, to allow an easy integration with microelectronics and digital compensation of temperature and nonlinearity effects, respectively. Using RF communication power, defining the available specifications for computing possibilities, and adapting new computing solutions for aeronautics, such as neural tools, validating the compatibility of the smart tag with the manufacturing processes and required maintenance procedures, implementing the building blocks into a test bench to be characterized by end users.
Thank you for your attention. Okay, thank you. So, hopefully in 4 years' time we're going to see a credit card. In 2 years, okay, so keep that in mind. In 2 years' time we're going to get a credit card SHM for €100. Well, good luck.